Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use deal splits in Recruit CRM. Deal splits let you distribute ownership, commission, and credit across multiple contributors, making it easier to collaborate on deals and track each person's contribution. Let's walk through how to set one up. Start by navigating to the Deals page and opening the deal you'd like to manage. On the deal profile, go to the Deal Split tab. If no additional collaborators have been added yet, the deal owner will be assigned 100% of the split by default. To add more contributors, click the Edit Deal Split icon. In the search box, search for the teams or teammates you want to include in the deal split. Once added, they will automatically become collaborators on the deal and receive an email notification. Now, let's configure the split percentages. By default, Recruit CRM uses equal split, which divides the total percentage evenly among all collaborators. For example, if 4 collaborators are included in the deal, each person receives 25% of the split. Keep in mind that if you add or remove collaborators later, the split percentages won't update automatically. You'll need to adjust them manually. If you'd like more control over how the deal split is distributed, click the drop-down and select Custom Split. Custom Split allows you to assign different percentages to each teammate or team based on their contribution. For example, one team might receive 70% of the split, while another team receives 30%. Before clicking Save, make sure the total allocation adds up to 100%. Once the percentages are assigned, click Save, and you'll see the distribution reflected in the total deal and the weighted deal columns. The total deal column shows each teammate's or team's share of the deal value based on the assigned split percentage, and the weighted deal column shows each person's share of the deal's weighted value, that is, the deal value adjusted by its probability of closing. Now let's look at reporting. Navigate to the Reports tab. From here, you'll see the Deals by Teammate or Team report, which provides a detailed overview of deal performance across both individual users and teams. This report includes separate sections for teammates and teams, along with charts that visualize deal values and individual contributions at a glance. As you scroll down, you'll also see an unallocated row. This row represents any percentage of the deal that has not yet been assigned to a teammate or team, helping keep the total allocation transparent. While the Deals by Teammate or Team report focuses specifically on deal allocations, you can also navigate to the dashboard reports to get a broader view of overall deal activity across your account. You can scroll down to the Total Deal Statistics report, where you'll see deal statistics for all the deals in your account. You can also view deal statistics for individual teammates or teams by selecting that specific team. This gives managers a clear view of how deal value and commission are distributed across the team. And that's how you use deal splits in Recruit CRM. If you have any questions, our support team is available via the chat icon in the bottom right corner. Thanks for watching.